Nice to meet you.
Brittany.
Brittany, nice to meet you. Jenny, would you say that you're pretty like ambitious by chance? Like a go-getter? Big goals, or is everything just kind of chill?
Right now it's just chill, but I do like try to go for achieve for the top.
What's something you're really trying to like focus on right now?
Just being like stable with like money.
Awesome. Here, we're gonna try something. Think of a card. Cool. Take it out if you see it, because this card's gonna represent you. It might not be in the deck, I don't know. All right, cool. Jenny, go ahead and take the card. It doesn't matter if I see it.
Okay.
Cool. Go ahead and put your signature on the card as big as you can.
Okay.
Queen of Hearts. Oh, Jenny. Let me show you something kind of cool. I'm going to show you the finish of this card trick, the very ending first,
Okay.
and then we'll rewind and we'll come back to it. The finish is going to be this, okay? This is a different card from a different pack of cards with the same brand. It could be the Queen of Hearts, okay? I'm going to put it away for now, but I just want you to know what the finish is. Actually, let's put it in your little tiny, that pocket right there. So you know I'm not gonna swap it out for anything. Cool? You can even have it peeking. Perfect. Check this out. You wanted the Queen of Hearts for a reason. I asked you if you were ambitious, always trying to get to the top, right? That's what you said. Look, we'll take the Queen of Hearts. If I put it in the middle of here, go ahead, snap your fingers. When you do that, it's gonna jump to the top of the deck. Okay? So look, I'll try again. If I put it into, give or take a couple cards, that's about middle. Yeah, Jenny? Go ahead, snap your fingers. Whenever you do that, card jumps to the top. Go like this, like you'd hold the card. Look. I'll riffle through the deck. You go ahead, put it somewhere in the middle. Go. Snap your fingers. But again, it's the only Queen of Hearts in there. Not only that, but it has your signature on it, so it's the only card like that in the world, right? It only works if you do it. So if I put it in the middle here, go ahead, you snap your fingers. Doesn't work if she does it, unfortunately. I'll snap my fingers. Doesn't work, go ahead, snap your fingers. When you do that, that's when it's gonna jump to the top. So look, I'll take the queen, put it right there. Instead, and this is how fast it happens. Here's the move, snap. You might think something's a little suspicious with me pushing it into the deck. So how about this? I'll take the queen. Instead of me, you go ahead, you push it in the middle. Snap your fingers twice. See, that jumps too strong.
Oh.
When you snap too hard, and that's how your brain works. Snap out of your fingers. But here, how about this? I'll bend the card so you know it's the queen. But what I tell you is the finish of the trick. That's right. Here, take it out. Here, take the deck. I'll trade you the deck for the card.
Where do I check it?
So, that's like you. That card represents you. You just snap your fingers and get to the top. Sound cool?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Take care. Be safe, Jenny. You too. Thanks for watching, you guys. Come back tomorrow for a different magic trick performed out in the streets. I'm Jarek120 of Disturb Reality. Comment and like this video. Check out my second channel for weekly vlogs. Best life I ever had. Catch you tomorrow. Peace.